Okay, so we had to 3D print Rheneas. Rheneas is ready to go. Just a little sanding here and there. Primer, and look at the face. We try to go close to the original Rheneas. Now, this was 3D printed for a Mattel chassis. As you can see here, there is a Mattel chassis from Rheneas, and I 3D printed another one for a Hit Toy. For those wonder if I sell some of these, yes, I do sell some, but I barely make announcements or post them on eBay because, as you might know, I like to create, so mostly is for content. But if you want any of these custom models or shells, let me know so I can make a specific listing. Since I definitely don't post, I have hundreds of designs that I can sell. But I mostly like to do this for content. I like to create some physical models and not just renders. So, what's your talk? Now, I have a question, quick question. I want to know what spray paint shade approach, if you have one, this time of the year when these motorcycles are running everywhere. Anyways, so which spray paint shade would you guys recommend so we can apply to a small jet? I have no idea. Is this burgundy or I don't know? Let me know in the comments. I think Rheneas is looking good, and I'm gonna go ahead and start sanding and priming while you guys decide or give me an idea which spray paint we can use on Rheneas.